Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Now today's tip is all about the real estate commissioner. And it's important to remember that frequently on our real estate exam, we'll have a question about the California Real Estate Commissioner, and I want to give you a few important concepts to remember. The first is that the real estate commissioner was appointed by the governor. So every time we have a new governor, generally we get a new real estate commissioner. So remember, the real estate commissioner is not elected, the real estate commissioner is appointed by the governor. The second thing that's important to remember is that the commissioner investigates complaints against licensees. Now, one real estate commissioner can't possibly investigate on an individual basis every complaint that comes in about a licensed real estate person in California, but the commissioner has a whole team of deputy commissioners that kind of investigate this. So, two very important things. First, how did the commissioner get their job? The commissioner was appointed by the governor. And second, one thing that the commissioner does is the commissioner investigates complaints against licensees.